to myself like this, and okay, I will let you know. Okay, like this. Okay. Alright, so you can see the spray. It smells really good. Okay, let's wipe a little quite a bit.
Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, so this is Max & Sons Parfum again, and today we are going to unbox 212 Men New York City by Carolina Herrera. Okay, so this is a tester bottle, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see, this is the bottom of the box. Okay, and this is the front of the box and the other side of the box. Okay, so it says here not for sale, right? And of course we are going to open it today. Okay, let me open like this. Alright, okay, this is a tester bottle. So usually tester bottles are not like they are not sealed, or they are not, they are not equipped or like wrapped with plastic like the other perfumes. Usually the other perfumes usually sometimes are wrapped with like plastics, but if the tester bottle is definitely it's not wrapped with any plastic, so you can just see it through. Okay, so as we open, and we can see this is the oh my god, as you can see. Alright, the bottle is stunning. Okay, so this is Men by Carolina Herrera, as you can see there clearly. Okay, and if we open, this is magnetic, actually magnetic. Okay, so this is the bottle. Okay, I mean the cap, and if you return it like this, okay, you hear that, the sound, you hear that? Okay, so it's quite heavy, and as you can see here, you have here the notice that it says tester not for sale. Okay, and in the bottom of the bottle you can see the engraving made in Spain, actually. Then as we open it, we will try to to spray. Okay, let me try to spray on my wait a minute, because I don't have any convenience to hold the camera. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to try and spray it to myself like this, and okay, I will let you know. Okay, like this. Okay, alright, so you can see the spray. It smells really good. Okay, let's wipe a little quite a bit. Okay, so that's the spray. So it smells really good, guys. The smell is really good. It's quite mesmerizing. The smell is it has citrus, it has green, it has warm and spicy, aromatic, woody, fresh and spicy, powdery, lavender, musky, and violet. Those are the main accords. So it smells really good. So the bottle alone is quite nice. The presentation is quite nice, as you can see there. Definitely, as you can see. Then also, oh, excuse me, Mr. Adonis, I'm filming something here. Okay. Alright, okay, sorry about my cat, it's so annoying sometimes. So 212 Men by Carolina Herrera is woody floral mass fragrance for men. Okay, then 212 Men was launched in 1999. 212 Men was created by Alberto Morillas, Rosendo Matteo, and Anne Gauthier. Top notes are green notes. Okay, listen. Grapefruit, spices, bergamot, lavender, petitgrass. Middle notes are ginger, violet, gardenia, and suds. Base notes are musk, sandalwood, incense, vetiver, guaiac wood, and labdanum. So it, you know, guys, when you smell it, the smell is really good. You cannot, I mean, something that is fresh and masculine. It's like, it's a vase. It's like when you wear it, it's something that a woman try to smells you, and it suddenly falls in love with you. The smell is just like that. So if you want to, you know, to wear this kind of fragrance, I assure you it has the ability to, you know, to lure or to fall in love. The girls or the women may fall in love with you or something like that. Okay, alright, so as you can see, the sound is quite good, and inside the box is just like a white color, nothing there. Okay, because it's a tester bottle. So as you can see, if I rotate the bottle again, it looks like this. Okay, alright, so if we rotate it like this, it just look like this, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so it's quite good. Okay, so you can see, so this is available at Max and Sons Parfum. So if you want to buy it, you just send me a message in my Facebook, also with my YouTube channel. So if you like the video, you can just put like, you put a comment like that. Then if you want to buy, just message me in my Facebook page. Okay, just message me in my Facebook page. Okay, alright, and I think that would be all for today. Just a quick unboxing of the 212 Men New York City edition, the tester bottle by Carolina Herrera. Okay, alright, so this is Max and Sons Parfum again, guys, and have a good one. See you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.